Some nature shit in the hood for your ass. Big ass hawk, little bitty ass cat. Who you think finna win this fucking battle? Survival of the fittest out here, y'all. You better recognize. No, this ain't no fucking game. You think it's a joke? I'm in a 5800 block of Roosevelt, and it's going down. Oh yeah, he choking him out. Choking him out big time. I supposed to be on something else. This motherfucker done got him a little snack. And he ain't finna stop. I got you. Got you on scope. You finna eat good today, ain't you? It's life y'all looking at right here. Bet you put a leash on the next one, won't you? Oh yeah. Look at that claw grip he got on his ass. Look at it. Oh, he finna eat real good. And I'm up to see this shit. Y'all finna see it too. Oh, he just about through. He just about through. I'm waiting to see the outcome. The fuck did I get to pull up on this shit? Really? Must be my type of day, huh? So the early bird get the worm. Fuck that. The early bird get the fat cat. We gonna do something real quick. About an hour in, big bro? You said about an hour in?
Oh, how can I get this motherfucker to zoom in?
Oh, I think he's on the touch screen. You gotta zoom in off the touch.
Okay.
Zoom
in.
Oh, he gone with him now.
Oh, he just went to...
Okay, next perch.
Yeah. He ain't gonna let his ass go. There you go. He gonna kill him.
Oh yeah, he gonna kill him now. Yeah.
Cause it caused too many problems.
Done weakened them up real good. Yeah. All right, I'll shoot back through. All right.